Admissions under BSA, Summary and Essential Points. Summary. The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam, BSA, 2023, introduces updated provisions concerning admissions in judicial proceedings. Sections 15 to 21 address the conditions under which admissions are relevant, the parties authorized to make admissions, and the admissibility of these statements in legal contexts. An admission, under BSA, is a clear, precise acknowledgement by a party, often aiding the judicial process by simplifying fact verification. Q&A. 1. What is an admission under BSA, 2023? An admission is a voluntary statement acknowledging a fact or truth, which may be oral, written, or electronic. It is relevant to the case when made by a party to the proceedings or their representative. 2. Who can make admissions under BSA? Parties to the proceedings, agents, representatives, and persons interested in the case's subject matter can make admissions. Additionally, statements by predecessors in title or third parties specifically referred to are also admissible. 3. When are oral admissions regarding documents relevant? Oral admissions about documents are generally inadmissible unless they fulfill secondary evidence requirements or when the document's genuineness is questioned. Essential points in sequence. 1. Definition of admission, Sec. 15. Acknowledgement of a relevant fact, either in written, oral, or electronic form. 2. Parties eligible for admission, Sec. 16. Includes parties in proceedings, agents, representatives, and those with a joint interest. 3. Exceptions, Sec. 17 to 18. Admissions by third parties or persons referred to are exceptions to the general rule. 4. Proof of admissions, Sec. 19. Admissions are valid against the declarant and their representatives. 5. Oral admissions on documents, Sec. 20. Generally irrelevant unless secondary evidence is allowed or genuineness is in question. 6. Civil case relevance, Sec. 21. Admissions in civil cases must not be under conditions that restrict their admissibility.
Without power, there is no peace happening.